Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Option Pit Stock Market and Option Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purpose only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options carry risk. Hey, this weekend on Monday is the very last day to sign up for our, after Monday, any early bird pricing is going to be gone. So if you're going to be in the Chicago area or what, you should come to our Pro Summit. It's going to be great. We're going to have a lot of people there. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you should plan on being there. For the 4 days, I have one ticket left for the 4-day summit, and I have plenty of room for the general audience. So get your butts to Chicago. It's really the best money you can spend. Speaking of spent money, Apple getting a little bit of a recovery today. And if Apple's recovering, that means the market is recovering. The S&P is only up about, 0.5%. But look at VIX. It's getting punched. Why? Well, we've got a weekend. We have vol got overbought yesterday, even though it really didn't get bought very much. They're dumping VVIX. Which means they're dumping regular implied volatility. The spikes is down to 16. So you see that there's definitely a press on vol. And one of the reasons why I think we could be pretty strong today is the Russell 2000. When the Russell 2000 is a leader, and the NASDAQ, also the other leader, that's usually a sign that today could get stronger, not softer. Now, at the highs, we were up about 18. We're only up about 11 now, 11, 12. I think that we'll break the highs from this morning and potentially move much higher. I think we could run to up 25, 30. You're going to see probably a lot of the shorts covering today. And with shorts covering, that means that the SPX goes up, the RUD, the NASDAQ, and the diamonds, the Dow, which should also be strong. So I think we're looking at a relatively strong day, kind of a strong day across the board. Speaking of strong day, HP had good earnings yesterday, but is off a little bit. HPE, the enterprise solution, is up, did a little better. So they're up. We have, some other names looking pretty strong. Disney has been kind of sitting. Disney's starting to look like an interesting put sale now that it's been up here, at least until kind of November. I think that could be a really interesting one to kind of keep an eye on because it's been, really strong, and their earnings have been great, and they got a lot of stuff coming up. So we might play around with Disney. We've been continuing to keep our eye on Qualcomm and JWN, which got kind of face punched this week. But as a whole, I like the market to, potentially have a pretty strong day. And I like, things to move up from here. All right, everybody. Hope you have a great day and a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.